Getting ready for a wedding can be quite stressful. There are so many details about it. Besides the main essentials like the date, location, catering, and addresses, there are other things like wedding favors, bridal tiara, and flowers. 2 years ago, I made my own tiara, bridal bouquet, and wedding favors. In today's episode, I will tell you how I made my own tiara under $5. For today's recrafting project, you will only need a few simple materials. First, you will need pearl beads and crystal beads in 2 different sizes. They don't cost a fortune. In fact, about 50 beads in total are enough for this project. The other essentials are 2 different nail polishes. One in snow white for the base coat and another with a pearl finish to create that elegant shimmer. If you love extra sparkle, I will also share a third glitter nail polish along with its color coat. Today, however, I will be using just the first 2. Most of us drink soft drinks, especially during the summer, so our kitchens are often full of empty plastic bottles. For today's recrafting project, I will use only 2 plastic bottles. If you would like to make more flowers, simply use more bottles. That's one of the greatest things about recrafting. The raw materials are always sustainable. First, cut out the flower petals. They don't have to be perfectly identical. I'm planning to make 10 flowers, each with 3 petals, so I will need 30 plastic petals altogether. Next, light a candle and gently heat each petal. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire. As the plastic softens, it naturally curls into beautiful organic shapes. Watching the plastic transform is surprisingly relaxing. Once all the petals have cooled, I paint them with snow white nail polish. The finish looks soft, natural, and slightly translucent, just like a real flower petals. After they're completely dry, I apply the Snow Glam nail polish to give them a lovely pearly glow. Now it's time to assemble them. Using a heated needle, I carefully make small holes near the base of each petal. Next, I create the center and stem of each flower using the thin craft wire. I thread 3 beads onto the wire to form the flower center, although you're welcome to use more if you prefer.
sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
Then I attach 3 petals to create each flower.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
And just like that, I have 10 flowers with long wire stems. At this point, about 70% of the project is complete. As you can see, the petals still move freely and don't stay exactly where I want them. To fix that, I add a tiny drop of superglue between the petals, securing them in the perfect position. While the flowers are drying, I start making the side embellishments using pearl beads and crystal beads. There is no strict pattern here. I simply thread the beads onto a thin wire and twist it together. That's all you have to do. Because of this, every embellishment turns out slightly different, making each one unique. Once all the pieces are ready, it's finally time to assemble the bridal tiara. I simply wrap the wire stem of each new flower around the previous one. It's incredibly easy. Everybody can do it.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Then I twist the pearl and crystal embellishments between the flowers to fill the empty spaces and create a fuller, more elegant design. And here it is, a beautiful handmade bridal tiara that costs almost nothing. One of my favorite things about this design is that it's lightweight, flexible, and comfortable to wear, making it perfect for weddings, photo shoots, or special occasions. I hope this project inspires you to transform everyday waste into something truly beautiful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves DIY projects, sustainable crafts, and upcycling. Until next time, stay well and keep recrafting.